We know you take great care of your boat, and she looks fantastic, but often issues can arise where you can't see them. Hull fouling can be a costly problem, especially mooring in an area with high marine activity. The Sonar Ultrasonic Anti-Fouling Unit uses submarine-inspired technology to combat the problem. The ultrasonic transducers are installed on the inside of your hull using supplied epoxy resin. It then produces high-frequency ultrasonic waves to deter marine growth and build-up. The result is an environmentally friendly solution to a cleaner hull, reducing maintenance costs. You'll enjoy slipping your boat less frequently for application of expensive and messy anti-fouling paint. A cleaner hull also creates less drag, making your boat more fuel efficient. The key is the high-powered ultrasonic transducers, managed by the IP65 rated waterproof controller, backed by a 2-year warranty and powerful Aussie engineering. They'll save you thousands of dollars over the life of your boat. There are 2 different sized units available: dual output for boats up to 12 meters and quad output for up to 22 meters. Of course, for boats over 22 meters, you can install multiple units without issue.